Welcome to Module 2. Here, we will be exploring the languages and tools we'll be using throughout this course. Our tech stack includes the following languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and Firebase. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript form the backbone of front-end web development, with Bootstrap enhancing the layout and visual appeal. Firebase seamlessly integrates our backend, enabling robust data management. Let's break it down. HTML defines the structure, CSS styles the presentation, and JavaScript brings our application to life with dynamic features. Bootstrap helps us achieve a responsive and polished layout, and Firestore serves as our data powerhouse. Now, for our web development environment, we'll keep it simple. I recommend using Visual Studio Code as our text editor and Microsoft Edge as our browser. However, feel free to use Chrome or Firefox if that is your preference. The key is to have a smooth development experience. Let's start by downloading and setting up everything we need for this course. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing and setting up our development environment. The first thing we need to do is download Visual Studio Code, and to do that, you just go to Google and search for Visual Studio Code download, and then enter the first link. From there, what you need to do is download the latest version of Visual Studio Code for your operating system. I'm currently using Windows 10, so I'll click here. So once this one is downloaded, all you need to do is open and install it. Click on accept, click on create desktop icon, and click on add path. The rest you can decide on your own, but I check the first one and check the last two. And then I click on install. Okay, before getting started creating our project file and starting with our project, what I like to do is install a bunch of extensions first. The first one I like to install is this theme called Andromeda because it's very colorful. I like it. The second one is Lifesaver here because it helps us simulate Lifesaver with PHP. So this will save our project. It will be our mock server. And I install Visual Studio Icons because its icons are pretty. And I install Emmet for HTML and CSS. So please install these extensions once you've installed Visual Studio Code. And we're done with the installation for the project. So in the next video, we will start with the planning process and then start implementation.